I've never seen one.
No, you wouldn't have.
I might have. Just because you say I wouldn't have doesn't prove anything.
It tastes like licorice.
That's the way with everything.
Yes, everything tastes of licorice. Especially all the things you waited so long for.
Cut it out.
You started it. I was being amused. I was having a fine time.
Well, let's try and have a fine time.
All right, I was trying. I said the mountains looked like elephants. Wasn't that right?
That was bright.
I wanted to try this new drink. That's all we do, isn't it? Look at things and try new drinks.
I guess so. It's really an awfully simple operation, Jake. It's not an operation at all. I know you won't mind it, Jake. It's really not anything. It's just to let the air inside. I'll go with you and stay with you the whole time. They just let the air in and everything will be normal.
Then what will we do afterward?
We'll be fine afterward.
And you think then we'll be all right and be happy?
I know we will. You don't have to be afraid. I've known lots of people that have done it.
So have I. And afterward, they were all so happy.
Well, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. I wouldn't have you do it if you didn't want to.
And do you really want to?
I think it's the best thing to do. But I don't want you to do it if you don't really want to.
And if I do it, you'll be happy? And things will be like they were? And you'll love me?
I love you now. You know I love you.
If I do it, you won't ever worry?
I won't worry about that because it's perfectly simple.
And we could have all this. And we could have everything. And every day we make it more impossible.
What did you say?
We can have everything.
No, we can't.
We can go everywhere.
No, we can't. It isn't ours.
It's ours.
No, it isn't. And once they take it away, you can never take it back.
But they haven't taken it away.
We'll wait and see. Come on, Mrs. Shade. You mustn't feel that way.
I don't feel anyway. I just know things.
I don't want you to do anything that you don't want to do.
No, that isn't good for me. I know. Could we have another beer?
right. But you've got to realize that
I realize. Can we maybe stop talking?
You've got to realize that I don't want you to do it if you don't want to. I'm perfectly willing to go through with it if it means anything to you.
Doesn't it mean anything to you? We could get along.
Of course it does. But I don't want anybody but you. I don't want anyone else. I know that it's perfectly simple.
Would you do something for me right now?
I'd do anything for you.
Would you please stop talking?
I don't care. I don't care anything for it.
I'll scream.
The train is coming in 5 minutes.
What did she say?
That the train is coming in 5 minutes.
You feel better?
I feel fine. There's nothing wrong with me.